Thank you.
Like a 4-mile hike each way.
If you want to hike up here, you can. It's a 4-mile hike. There's some people up there walking. They're hiking along the top of the bridge. Oh, he rode his bike up there. There's people just standing up there and they're looking down at the lava flow.
Look at all the sulfur.
I didn't know you could get this close to it. They walked all the way down. It's a hike you can take, a tour.
Black sand.
Hey, how are you? Thank you so much for bringing me out here. This is awesome.
Isn't it?
Yeah. That's what I call black sand beach over there. And we're going to witness the sunrise in a minute.
It's 6:10.
Is this like one of the only places in the world you can do this on the Big Island? What do you think? Is there any other place?
It's one of the only places in the world.
Jeez. How long has this been going on? 30 years?
He said that it started flowing into the ocean on July 26th.
Yeah.
2016.
Oh, yeah. Okay. But it's been erupting since 1983. This is a new area that's come out into the ocean, July 26th, 2016. They dipped some water and they had us feel the water, and it's a little bit hotter than like a hot tub. We're in an aluminum boat and it will not melt or anything. It's not that hot when it hits the water, but still. Yeah. 20 feet away from that right there. You can hear it sizzling and popping as it goes down into the water. Ooh. Got close to the boat. Yeah. What tour are we on?
The Ocean Lava Tour.
Ocean Lava Tour. That's the one you want to go on. There's some other small little boats. There's a really small boat right there. But this one, how many people does this hold?
I think he said 56.
56 people, wow. If you get a chance to come out to the Big Island, this is one tour that you just can't miss. Hey, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. Won't we?
Yes, we will.